This is a mirror. There are two surfaces of this mirror, the front surface and the back surface. The front surface of the mirror reflects most of the light falling on it because it is polished to a high degree of smoothness. This is the front surface of the mirror in which we can see our image. Now, the back surface. The back surface of the mirror is coated with a layer of silver or mercury, but we cannot see the layer of silver or mercury because to protect the silver layer, the back surface of the mirror further coated with some opaque material. Now let's see how this mirror reflects the light. When a beam of light strikes a surface, a part of it returns into the same medium. The part of light which is returned into the same medium is called reflected light. Now let's try to understand the structure of plane mirror. Let's see this diagram. The left part of this diagram is representing the polished surface and the right part of this diagram is representing the back surface which is coated with opaque material. You also can see there is a red line part. This part of mirror is representing the silver layer. It means what? The back surface of the mirror is first coated with silver material. Then, to protect this silver layer of mirror, it is further coated with some opaque material. So, this is the back surface of the mirror, which is initially coated with silver layer, and to protect this silver layer, it is further coated with some opaque material. Now let's see how the plane mirror reflects the light, how the plane mirror makes an image of an object. So this is the front surface of the mirror, which is polished to a high degree of smoothness. When the light ray falls on this plane, this polished surface, it gets reflected from this silver layer. The light enters into the mirror from the polished surface and gets reflected from the silvered surface of the mirror. This is how the plane mirror works. Properties of image formed by a plane mirror. The image formed by a plane mirror is erect. The image is at the same distance from the mirror as the object is in front of it. The image is laterally inverted. It means it is reversed from left to right. It's virtual image. It cannot be obtained on screen. The image is same size as that